Hi, I'm making this for my mom so she can see my first mini. I just wanted to show her what I made. A little teddy bear. And different ribbons. A love charm with peace charm. T and S. All my pretty little ribbons. This is what it looks like set up. And when you open the first page, the flower I made. And I made this little envelope, if you can see.
Mom?
Morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi.
Mom.
Mommy's recording.
Mom. When Sarah...
Shh, Mommy's
When I
recording.
saw Sarah...
Just hold on, please.
Daddy.
And then this just says, Mommy and Daddy met on May 10th, 1999. We got married on July 12th, 2003. Just little slips in this little pocket I made. It's kind of hard to do this with just hand. The next page is Julie. And her little pocket with all the little embellishments. And I made these little paper clips on them. I don't know why this is out of focus. And then I made this pocket. This one with Dean. This says, Daddy loved growing up in California by the beach. And then I did mine. And I just put, before Mommy met Daddy, her last name was Grieve, now it's Severson. And then my cool little pocket I made. I made these out of envelopes. Really cool. And then the next one, little butterfly. This is my newest one. You pull it like this. There's the baby. And then when you put it back, just put a little name on there. There's Ashley's. This is so fun to make. I just love it, and I can't wait to get some more stuff. I used a shirt that she can't wear anymore, a little monkey shirt thing. She likes her bunny, so. And then here's Sarah's. You can put pictures in the back or write on the back of these little tags. With one of my little pockets, my little bee on it. I hope you can see this. It's hard to film and show you. You can kind of get an idea. And this is Tina and Julie. And one thing I made. Oh, and it fell off. Guess I need to re-glue that one. I didn't want to put too much glue on it because it's plastic. And then another pocket I made with my little embellishments. Can't probably see them, but So I could still add stuff to these other pages right here. More stickers you sent me that I just love. That looks like it might be upside down, huh? And here's Sophia's.
Will we not have any more onion?
I don't know. I'll have to help you. I'll have to check for you.
Anywhere.
Okay. Did you look down in the bottom?
Yeah, of course.
You can write on this. And then here's this page, Daddy. And I made this little clip here. And you can write on the back if you want. And a little pocket I made. I like these little corner pockets, kind of match the other side. And this is all raised and feels real fluffy. Real cute paper. Love it. And then here's my other pocket I made. And this one just has the picture of Julie on it. I feel like my camera's out of focus. And then I made just another one you can write on or put pictures on. Probably put another picture on it. And then I made this envelope. This is one of my favorite ones, and I distressed it with blue. Most people do it with black or brown, but I did it with blue. It looks really pretty like that. I love all this different paper. Here's an embellishment. These are those little buttons I was telling you about. They're kind of... There's another little... But yeah, so that's it. And it's just so cute, and I just love it. And I'm going to make a Halloween one with all the kids' costumes. And here's the back. And I have an S to put on the back here. Where's my S? Of course I can't find it now that I'm filming, but anyways, I have a big S that's about like this big that'll go on the back. And then you just set it up like that and have it on your table or whatever with all your little ribbons showing, and kind of sticks out a little bit. And there's my first mini. Cute, huh? Love you. Bye.